In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple project and task manager in Notion. This quick 5-minute guide will help you set up an efficient way to organize your projects and tasks, boosting your productivity without any hassle. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to notion.so. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you haven't used Notion before, don't worry. Logging in is straightforward and setting up an account is a breeze. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be ready to start creating your project manager. Next, we're going to create a new page. Click on the sidebar and select Add a Page. Name this page Project Manager. This page will serve as the central hub for managing all your projects and tasks. Think of it as your digital workspace where everything will be neatly organized and accessible. Now that you have your main page ready, it's time to create the first database. Click within the Project Manager page and type /table. Then select Table / Full Page from the drop-down menu. Name this table Projects. This is where you'll list each project you're working on. You can customize the properties to fit your needs, such as adding columns for project deadlines or team members. With the projects database set up, the next step is to create a second database specifically for tasks. Again, within your main Project Manager page, type /table and select Table / Full Page again. This time, name it Tasks. This table will be used to keep track of all the tasks associated with your projects, including due dates, task statuses, and any other details needed to complete them. Once the tasks database is in place, it's time to connect it to the projects database. This is where Notion truly shines. In the Tasks table, you'll need to create a relation property. To do this, click on the plus button to add a new property and select Relation. From there, choose to connect it to your projects table. This linkage allows you to associate each task with a specific project, making it easier to organize and find information. Finally, to bring all of this together, we're going to add a dashboard view. Dashboards in Notion are great for giving you a bird's eye view of your projects and tasks. Within your Project Manager page, create a new view and customize it using different blocks such as text, headings, and linked databases. This dashboard will be your go-to place for a streamlined overview of all the work in your pipeline. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've built a simple yet effective project and task manager in Notion. Remember, you can always customize these setups further to better suit your personal workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!